Hi, I'm Cash with Cashed Out Cars, and in today's video we're going to be doing a review of this Carlore 100% carbon fiber license plate frame. So I got this license plate frame off of Amazon for about $20 shipped to my door, and I'm pretty big into carbon fiber and composites, and I was the composites lead for a Formula SAE team, so like I said, I'm pretty familiar with composites and think they look great. This is a 100% carbon fiber license plate frame. It was the only one in this price range that was actually 100% carbon fiber that I found, and it did have pretty good reviews on Amazon. So I decided to pick it up, and honestly, I'm pretty impressed with it. It does seem to be 100% carbon fiber. It has a very nice finish, and there aren't any bubbles in the layup and resin or anything like that. It's a very smooth finish, so aesthetically, it looks very good. It's light. You're probably not getting a license plate frame out of carbon because it's light, but it is very light. It is carbon fiber, and like I said, it looks great. So in terms of fit on the car, this one has the two mounting holes up top and nothing on the bottom, and that fits on this plate pretty well here. One thing that I will say is that this comes with some two-sided tape on the back, and that sort of matches up in an awkward location on the plate itself, but it's not the end of the world. To install this plate frame, it's very, very easy. You just have your license plate, put it where you're going to mount it, and then put screws into your car. Obviously, if you already have a plate on, those screws are already, or the screw holes are already there. So take out what you already have. This kit comes with these little plastic snaps. So you'll take one of these plastic rings, put it over the screw that you're going to use, and then screw it into your car through the license plate frame and then the license plate. So here we are screwing on this license plate frame. Mine did have a different license plate holder on the car already, and honestly, it doesn't look great with both of them on, but I don't want to remove this because then I'm going to have additional holes in my bumper. So I'm just going to go with this like this. Like I said, there is that two-sided tape on the back, but for now, I'm just going to try to screw it into place and see how it holds and see if the frame flaps around. This kit does come with this little screwdriver, which is helpful so you don't have to go get one if you don't have one. It's sort of unnecessary because you probably have one, but it is sort of nice that they included it. And then that's the frame on the car. The very last thing to do here is just to pop these little plastic clips on there that cover it up, make it look a little bit cleaner because it hides the screws. And it also helps hide some of the groove that they put so you could adjust the plate frame left to right, just like that. Honestly, these are a little bit too small to cover up the whole entire groove, and they also go off of the plate frame just a little bit. So I don't think it's a perfect design, but I do think for $20 it's a fairly nice looking plate frame, and I'm pretty happy with it. And also, since I could reach this right now, I am just going to pull off this two-way tape. This frame is a little bit flexible, so I could just pull it back a little bit. Obviously, be careful so you don't break anything, but you could flex it and pull off the two-way tape and stick that on there if you want. The best way to do it is obviously peeling off the two-way tape ahead of time and sticking your plate frame to your plate before you screw it into place, but this is a way to do it, and this is what I'm going to go with. Press that on there nice. Honestly, the two-way tape is going onto a little ridge in the license plate, so there's not that much surface area. So I don't know how well it's going to stick. It seems pretty decent, and the plate seems like it's on there fairly well. So, like I said, I'm pretty happy with it. So guys, to wrap up, one of these Carlore carbon fiber license plate frames is made out of real carbon fiber. Mine looks very good with no defects in the layup or resin surface itself. So I would say it's a very high quality part. Like I said, for 20 bucks, I don't think you're going to get very much that's better than that and real carbon fiber. So all in all, I'm pretty pleased with it. Let me know down in the comments below what you think, or if you've had other negative experience with these plates, or even if you love the one that you have. So with all that said, please like this video if you liked it, subscribe for more, and I hope you stick around for the next one. Take care.